Hello and welcome to January's Munich Biotechnology news from BioMTV, where we keep you up to speed on all the latest developments in Bavaria's fast-moving biotech sector. Before we tell you more about what's been happening in the last few weeks, let's take a quick glance back at 2010. It was a busy year for the sector in southern Germany, and one of the most dynamic companies of all in Bavaria's biotech cluster was Morphosys.
At the end of December, the antibody maker based in Martinsried announced that it had received its 7th clinical milestone payment for 2010, exceeding even the company's most positive predictions for the year. Morphosys CEO Simon Moroney said the company's trademark human combinatorial antibody library, a platform known as Leukocare, made a major contribution to the firm's success.
The pipeline is coming along faster than we expected. For next year, we expect 4 to 6 new programs to enter the clinic and to finish the year with probably around 20 programs in total in clinical trials.
Leukocare is a collection of several billion distinct fully human antibodies that allows antibodies to be more rapidly and systematically optimized. The library dovetails well with Slonomics technology, a fully automated genetic engineering platform that Morphosys acquired through its purchase of Munich Biotechnology in October. In mid-January, the integration of Sloning into the Morphosys fold was proceeding apace at the antibody maker's headquarters.
Sloning has developed a technology for making protein libraries, which is without question the best technology in the world for doing that. And what that does for us is it enables us to optimize antibodies much faster and much more efficiently than previously.
Morphosys currently has 10 partnered programs in Phase 1 and 5 in Phase 2 development. The antibody specialist says total turnover reached €87 million in 2010, with operating profits expected to be around €10 million.
To keep their operations on track and running, firms like Morphosys in turn require a range of services and products offered by other providers in the cluster. Companies like Leukocare, which moved into the IZB Innovation and Startup Center in Martinsried just a few months ago, consolidating former operational sites in Frankfurt and Munich. A startup specialized in the development of biofunctional surfaces for medical devices and stabilized proteins that are resistant to sterilization, Leukocare bagged its first big deal in the new premises in November, a cooperation agreement with US major player Sterigenics International. In other news, health research all over Germany has been given a boost. The country's Federal Ministry of Research and Education has opened the Year of Science 2011 Research for Our Health initiative. At a press conference in Berlin, German Research Minister Annette Schavan and Health Minister Philipp Rösler provided more details about the project. €475 million of funding from Germany's National Research Framework Programme have been earmarked for investment in a keystone element of the drive. 6 new national centres for health research that are to be located throughout the country. And of all the cities in Germany, Munich will be uniquely represented at the centres. Health and medical research institutes, as well as universities from the greater Munich region, are to be partners in all 6 of them. At the beginning of January, protein engineering firm Pieris signed a drug discovery partnership agreement with Takeda. The German biotech company will be using its proprietary anti-kaolin technology to provide the Japanese pharmaceutical giant with therapeutic candidates. Anti-kaolins are recombinantly engineered lipokaolins. This class of proteins can naturally bind, store and transport a wide spectrum of molecules, and they are much smaller than antibodies. Based at the IZB in Freising, Pieris has one Phase 1 cancer compound in its pipeline, as well as several anti-kaolins in preclinical development. If you'd like to know more about anti-kaolins, just click on the interview with Pieris CEO Stephen Yoder on our BioM channel. That's it for now, but next month we'll be back again with a closer look at more of the companies and institutes in the Bavarian biotech cluster. Thanks for watching and see you then.